Yes, guys, Lex Olowo here again, and I'm super excited to be here with you. And today, I have an amazing thing to discuss with you guys. So, I'm going to be talking about Facebook ads, and I'm going to be talking about how not to waste your money on Facebook ads. You see, I discovered recently that most people burn a lot of money when they're just starting, when they're trying to run ads. So quickly, I'm going to be talking about the ad objectives, the Facebook ad objectives, and when best can you use these ad objectives, right? So when it comes to Facebook ads, there are the ad objectives that you should understand when best to use them. This would save you a whole lot of money when you're just getting started with Facebook ads, right? First of all, I'm going to start from the best to the least. Every single time when you are trying to run Facebook ads, the best way to do it is to use the sales ad, the sales campaign, or the conversion campaign. If you are using the old interface, is the best form of ad to use. Now, the little challenge with this is that some people do not have a Facebook pixel installed where they are trying to drive traffic to. So you don't have a landing page, or you're trying to take them to your WhatsApp. If you're using these two methods, you will not be able to use the sales ad. But then the sales ad is the best. It's the most costly form of ad, but then it gives you the best result because the sales ad is looking for people that are most likely to take valuable actions on your website. Now, this is how Facebook ad works. Whatever objective you choose, it is going to be looking for people that are most likely to take those kind of steps, right? So the sales ad look for people that always click on buy now buttons, people that are ready to take valuable actions on your landing page, right? That's the first one. The second one is the traffic ad. The traffic ad looks for people that are most likely to click. So people that are most likely to click. So let's say, for example, this is maybe an ice cream. Let me use this as an analogy, right? So the sales ad or the conversion ad are the people on top of it. They are the cream, the sweetie and the juicy part. They are the ones that always spend money. They are the ones that they are the 3, 4, 5% of people on Facebook that are ready to pay for your product and services, right? So that the juicy part on top of it. Then the traffic ones are okay, they want to see, they want to know more about the offer, they are going to click. So using the traffic ad, use it only when you don't have a Facebook pixel installed in the location you're trying to drive traffic to. So you're trying to take them to WhatsApp, Telegram, or whatever. But then if you have a pixel installed, always use the sales ad. Then the next one is the engagement ad, right? So the engagement ad, it's a wonderful ad used for only social proofs. So only use the engagement ad when you're just trying to get likes and comments, because you cannot take likes and comments to the bank, right? You cannot take likes and comments to the bank. So the only time you should use it is when you're trying to get social proofs, not when you're trying to make sales, right? So sales ad, the best one, always use it if you have Facebook pixel installed and you have a landing page. Then the next one is the traffic ad. Then the next one is the engagement ad. Then the last one is the lead generation ad. And really, in these days, I don't advise anybody to use the lead generation ad because two reasons. Number one, it brings an autofill form, and most people on Facebook, the contact details they are used to open their accounts are no longer the contact details they currently use. So if it's an autofill to get the leads, the last few times I ran this ad, about 50% of the leads are not leads that you can use to get any form of result. So the best working ad strategy, the sales ad. The second is the traffic ad. The third one is the engagement, and do not use the lead ad, right? So if you're looking for sales, go for the sales ad. If you're looking for people that to go to your landing page but you don't have pixel, use the traffic ad. Those are the few strategies you can use to to start getting results from your Facebook ad. Now, the last thing I want to say is that every single time you want to run an ad on Facebook, always put out a test budget, right? Do not put all the money you have in your account on ads. Have a test budget, run the test budget for 3 days and see what the result is before you know whether it's worth spending money on. Because you need to know what is the worth of a customer and what is it costing you to acquire that customer. So if it's costing you more than the worth of the customer, then there's no point running those kind of ads. So if you're having any issues with your Facebook ad, all you just have to do is to go to the link in the description, and there's a link there that's going to take you to where we can have a one-on-one section together. So I'm running a campaign called Let's Fix My Ads, right? So I want to help 100 businesses fix all their ad issues, right? So if you have any ad issues, your payment method, your ad account has been banned, whatever issues you have in your adverts, all you just have to do is go ahead and reach out to me, book a session with me, and I'm going to be live with you, helping you scale whatever issues you have with your ads. It's been a wonderful time with you guys, and I'm going to say peace.